Hello everyone, and welcome back. So here is a guide. Hello everyone, and welcome back. So here is a step-by-step guide on how to password your Excel workbook. So select File, then click on Save As, and then select the location. Then you have a name. You have a name. Then after the name, you click on Tool. You can see Tool option here. Select Tool and click on General option. Then what are you doing? Password to open or password to modify? If it's open, so click on password, click OK. Then you will enter the password again and hit OK. Now you've saved the job. So next time when you want to open the same job, so it's going to ask for password. Let me close this and be open now. So next time you click on this, it's going to ask for password from you. And that's okay. Now, what about existing job that you've saved before? Let's create a new workbook and save. Now, I'm going to save this. There's a normal savings. I will save as new password. Now, we've saved this job already and you want to add the password to it. So click on this and select info. Under info, you see protect workbook. Select this and add encrypt password. Then you use create your password. And okay. Remember, if you lose your password or you forgot your password, there's no way you can recover the job again. Now, so let's close this now and try to reopen. Okay, let's close from here and yeah, saved. So let's try to reopen this now and click on this. So it's going to ask for password before you go ahead. So that is it. Thank you for watching.